Hi, Nella. How are you?
Good, Alex. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Could you give me a quick demo on how users would interact with reporting dashboards? I have a
Sure.
customer who is wondering if you could show them that.
Yeah, for sure. Let me share my screen real quick.
Awesome. Thank you.
Here we're looking at the Unity client, and I'll go ahead and select my reporting button in the ribbon at the top. Off to the left is the dashboard gallery, which will list dashboards that you have access to or that you have created yourself. In the main window, the dashboards will appear once we select one. So I'll go ahead and select my VM Vendor Management Reporting Dashboard. And you can see some cool stuff on here like the bar chart, we got a circle graph, we have a map indicating some vendors by state, we have a grid listing those all out, and these are referred to as dashboard items. They are the visual form that displays the data on the dashboard. And there's many more options for these kinds of visuals. But this information is pulled back using a data provider. A data provider works behind the scenes to return data from OnBase and displays it on the dashboard. Dashboards have some pretty cool filtering capabilities, so let's take a tour of this reporting dashboard to try some of those out. So first we have our classic check boxes, and I can filter off of all of them and just select the business products and services, which will shorten my list quite a bit. Then I can use my map to filter down vendors that are located just in Ohio. And I can see that there are 6 of them. And then finally, I can use my circle graph to continue to filter my results. In this case, I want to know which of these vendors are a preferred vendor. So I can go ahead and select this piece of the pie, and it'll filter it down to the one that is preferred. So I can also clear out these filters using the little filter with the X in the corner of these dashboard items. Now we're back at where we started. So that is a quick overview of how users can interact with reporting dashboards.
Hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our free training resources. And make sure that you reach out if you have any questions that you'd like featured in an upcoming episode of The Question Corner.